Hello beautiful people, it's your girl So David, and I'll be teaching you how to tie your round gele. So guys, I've made my pleats, which was 8. I made 8 pleats. As usual, after making my pleats, I go to the back and I cross them over, the longer one up and the shorter one downwards. And I'm going to make 3 pleats now and tie at the back. So as usual, when you want to tie the back, make sure you pleat it very well. Make sure it's well arranged. Then you pick it at the center and tie it at the back. Ask your muse or your client to hold it for you. This is the time to make your pleats till you are tired. You can make them as tiny as you want or as fat as you want. It just depends on you. So this is me making my pleats. For beginners, try as much as possible to make your pleats go inwards. Just try your best. So guys, this is almost the end of the video. You can look at the way I'm pleating, the way I'm taking my pleats, making sure I'm pleating towards the inside so that it can have that round shape at the side of your ears. Are you seeing how I'm trying to? I try my best to pleat it so well, and I drag it. As I'm pleating, I'm raising up my gele. I make sure I pleat it towards the end, almost at the end. Make sure I pleat it so well. As I pleat, I drag it. As I pleat it, I drag it, I raise it up. I try my best to make it beautiful. Remember I said that you have to put it towards the end. Remember I dragged my gele and I raised it up. So now I need to make extra pleats, and I'm making such now. I'm making the curve of the other side of my gele so that it looks beautiful. Then start to tie it. Then please guys, ask your clients to hold your gele for you. It's very necessary. So all you have to do now is arrange your pleats, making sure it's as perfect as you can. Yes guys, raise it up. That's the end of my video. That's the end of my tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.